In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Jotform with Monday.com using Jotform's Form Builder. This is a wonderful way to enhance your productivity by automating data transfer between these two powerful platforms. First, to get started, open your form in Jotform's intuitive form builder. Once you have your form displayed on the screen, you'll want to smoothly navigate to the Settings tab. This is your control hub, where all configuration changes can be managed with ease. Over on the left-hand menu, there is an option called Integrations. Click on it, and you'll enter the realm where Jotform connects with other applications. Now that you're in the right spot, you'll need to find the integration for Monday.com. You can do this by typing Monday.com in the search bar at the top of the integrations page. Once it appears, simply select it to move forward. This choice opens up the pathway to choose exactly how this integration will function. Next, it's essential to decide on the specific action you would like this integration to perform within Monday.com. You have two choices here. The first option is to create a new item. This action adds a fresh item to a board or group within your Monday.com workspace, perfect for tracking new entries or projects. Alternatively, you can set it up to create an update. This works like adding a comment to an existing item, great for adding notes or progress to current tasks. To move forward, you'll need to authenticate your Monday.com account to establish a secure connection. This simply involves entering your Monday.com API key. Make sure you have it on hand for this step, as it grants permission for Jotform to communicate with your Monday.com account. Now, let's dive into configuring this integration to your liking. If you opted for the Create an Item action, begin by selecting the desired board and group where you want these items to appear. Next, map the form fields you've created in Jotform to the corresponding columns in Monday.com. This ensures that the data you collect gets filed in the right spots. You also have the option to set up updates and decide whether new records should be created when submissions are edited, making your process even more dynamic. On the other hand, if you chose the Create an Update action, first pick the relevant board, group, and specific item you wish to update. Just like before, map your form fields to the update columns. Decide if you'd like new updates to be created when form submissions are edited to keep everything in sync effortlessly. After setting everything up according to your needs, the final step is to save the integration. This preserves all your hard work and ensures that the integration is ready to run automatically in the background, allowing you to focus on what matters most. And there you have it. Your Jotform form is now connected with Monday.com, streamlining your workflow and keeping your projects organized.